Hello folks, this is me, Mohammad Farhan, and currently I'm working as a Microsoft certified trainer. Prior, I have experience of working as an assistant professor in the University of Mumbai. Also, from past 3 to 4 years, I was working in cloud computing. I'm exploring the Microsoft cloud, that is Azure and other Microsoft product. But in past few years, I realized that currently what happened that AI is everywhere. AI is introduced and now AI is integrated with different Microsoft as well as other services like AI is everywhere, AI in healthcare, AI in sales, AI in technical, AI in security, everywhere we find AI. So by knowing that all these things, the future is AI, then I plan to start my journey in AI. I want to explore AI. So in order to start my AI journey, I started with AI Certs. As AI Certs is providing a wide range of different syllabus that including from fundamental to expert level. Because I want to start from scratch, so I started the AI from the fundamental syllabus, and I find that like from fundamental and there are vast opportunity available to explore in AI Cert. So as now I became a AI Cert certified trainer, so I can say that like there are a lot of scopes still available for me as well to learn, because there are a different syllabus that includes like for healthcare, for graphics, for telecommunication, for executive, for sales, and in fact in security, cloud computing, developer, everywhere like different syllabuses are available. So if you want to start your journey in AI, so obviously my suggestion, go for AI Cert. I'm doing it, you can also catch up the same. Also, you can comment and then you can share your experience that to how you feel about AI Cert. Okay, so that was the experience that I'm sharing with you. AI Cert is providing a different approach to AI by providing the theoretical as well as the practical hands-on opportunity to all the learners. That's it. Thank you.